Hi guys, Simon from Altegra Australia. Today I'd like to talk to you about spare parts. We carry a full range of spare parts for all of our frames, just in case something ever does go wrong. What I've got for you today is the 40mm Pro Light 3x3 frame. And I'm just going to run through the different segments of the frame, just demonstrating on the one we've got set up here. So the four different segments that we discuss are your leg components, then we have your upper frame components, then we have your fittings or joints as we refer to them as, and then just your ancillaries like your nuts and bolts and screws and your pull rings. So I'll demonstrate on this frame what the actual components are. So if I go through the components one by one, this is your foot plate here, your lower leg, this is the pull ring collar, this is the pull ring itself, then we have your corner leg lower joint, followed by the actual upper leg assembly, some Velcro, and then we have the corner leg upper joint. That pretty much comprises all of your leg components. Then we have here your crossbows. There's a lot of sets of the crossbows in the frame. There's your crossbow sleeves and also your crossbow connectors. There's an upper and a lower crossbow connector, which are both the same. This is your three-way connector, which joins your crossbows together. Then we move on to the centre of the frame. That's your top cap that your canopy sits on, your upper centre pole, your fitting, upper fitting, which is a four-way fitting for your centre pole. Then there's the lower centre pole and also the lower fitting for your centre pole, which again is a four-way connector. That pretty much sums up all the parts that are available for each of the frames. If you're in need of any spare parts, simply visit our website altegra.com.au, move on to the builder, then into the spare parts section where all the parts are listed there. Thanks for watching the video, guys.